Hey everyone, welcome back to a new cleaning video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a after dark clean with me. So this is typically what I would do every afternoon before bed. Well, let me rewind a bit. I say every afternoon, but sometimes it does not happen, and that's totally okay. I do try my best though to get the house as clean as possible most nights. That way I wake up in the morning and we have a really nice fresh start. Because honestly, there's nothing better than waking up in the morning to a clean house. Like really, there's nothing better. I wake up and I just immediately am in a good mood. I can work on other things that I need to get done without having another task coming up, of cleaning and then the mess from the morning piling up on the mess from the night before, and it just becomes overwhelming very, very quickly. So taking that 10-15 minutes, getting the house in order is going to really, really change your evening and your next day.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. A bigger scale the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way, no. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
Okay, so I got most of the house picked up at this point. I'm going to go ahead and shut the blinds and move on to folding some laundry. But while I was shutting the blinds, I wanted to tell you like something kind of random. So I want to get some film for the windows to kind of give us some privacy at night. So I saw this on Instagram where this girl like put this film on and nobody can look inside, but you can look out, even at nighttime, which I think is really cool. But here's the thing. So my windows are kind of like that. So at night, or I'm sorry, during the day, you can't see into my house unless like you come up and you put your hands like, you know what I mean, and kind of like peek in because the reflection, it's like reflective or whatever. But then at night, you can't see outside, but you can see inside. What the heck is up with that? Like, I don't know. how it like switches. It's really weird. But if there's light on the outside looking in, you can't see. But then at nighttime, you can look into our house, but we can't see out. It's so hard to explain. Anyway, I want to find a way to fix it. I've actually taken a razor blade to like the corners to see if maybe there was like some type of film on there, but there's not. It's just like the way that the windows are. So I don't know, but it literally is one of those things. And we have new windows. Whenever we purchased this house, the guy who owned it before us, he actually redid the whole house. According to our neighbors, this house was in really rough shape before he got a hold of it. And he was like one of those people that come in, they buy the house, they flip it, and then they turn around and sell it real quick. But he replaced all the windows, all the drywall, he pretty much gutted the whole house and redid it quick and cheap. And I think a lot of the windows that he installed were windows from like kind of like what you would call like a scratch and dent store, where they all had like minor issues, but like some of them have like scratches on them. It was all brand new. It all had stickers on them still, but you could tell he got a discount on the windows. And that's actually one of the reasons why our kitchen window is actually a bathroom window, because I think they were just moving too quick when they worked on the house, and they just kind of flip-flopped the bathrooms and the kitchen window. So anyway, why am I talking about this? I'm sorry. I ramble. Like I get onto a subject and I just go down the rabbit hole. But anyway, he just kind of cheaply fixed the whole house, and there's certain things about it that we are trying to like slowly fix and change, just for like long term, until maybe we're in a position one day where we can buy a new home, not like a new home, but just like a home on some land, because ultimately that's the goal. That's the end goal, is to have some property. So I had about 3 loads of laundry to fold, so I worked on folding that, and I'm just going to put everything away. So this is the cabinet behind my bathroom door. It's already a mess, you guys. I know. Well, 'cause to be honest, I never really organized it. I just kind of started throwing things in there because I was excited to have the extra space. I need to organize that, so maybe I will be sharing that in an upcoming video. I want to get some like nice containers and really declutter and organize everything so everything has a home. I think it's gonna really help. But anyway, I'm gonna quickly wipe down my bathroom countertop. So I have super dark hair, and since our countertop is white, my hair is like everywhere in here. It's awful. And it shows up so fast, and like if I don't keep this wiped clean, it looks like I never cleaned my house, to be honest, especially the bathroom. And then somehow the toilet paper was missing. There was like no toilet paper in here, so I replaced that roll, and then gathered up all the laundry, threw it in the basket where it's supposed to be, and this little basket fits perfectly in between the shower and the cabinet door, so I like to have that there. And then I realized that I left some clothes hanging, and, well, not hanging. I'm about to hang those up on hangers. So I went back in here and finished up the rest of the laundry, because for some reason I like to jump around and clean multiple spaces at once. All right, so moving into the kitchen now, I'm going to go ahead and unload the dishwasher from earlier that day. It was a full load for sure. So I'm going to work on that and then load it up. There wasn't a whole lot of dishes in the sink on this afternoon, just because we did end up ordering dinner out, and it just so happened to be the night that I filmed this video. But on most nights I would have all the dishes from dinner to load up, but in my case I got an easy evening, and I only had like a few plates and bowls to put in there.
I don't know how you do it. Try
All right, so after getting the dishes loaded up, I grabbed the kids' school clothes for tomorrow. I put those on the counter and then I shut off all the lights. And then I go hop my butt in the shower so I could relax. But I would love to hear what is one thing that you do in the morning, or I'm sorry, at night, that makes your morning easier. Let us know. I feel like we're always looking for things that kind of can help us have a really smooth start. So I would love to hear that. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your evening. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Come keep the